Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video we're going to take a look at the always on display mode. I'm going to show you how to customize it, get it all set up. It's definitely a feature that I like to use on all my Samsung devices. So yeah, this is going to be quite a lengthy video, guys. There's quite a few things I have to show you. Okay, so to find the always on display mode, simply pull down the notifications, go into settings, and then scroll down to where it says lock screen, always on display. Select it, and here you will see always on display. Turn the little switch on, and then select it. And it just explains how it works. So show a clock and notifications when your phone isn't in use. And at the moment it's set to tap to show. Okay, so my display has timed out. And for me to see the always on display mode, I have to tap on the display. And as you can see, it comes up. You can see the battery percentage and also the clock. So once again, if I tap on it, you can see the clock and the battery percentage. But you can add some more customization to the always on display. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a little while. Okay, so I just showed you that you have to tap to show the always on display mode. However, you can select show always. And as you can see now, you don't have to tap, it's just showing automatically, and it doesn't time out. It's always going to be on the display. And you can also show as scheduled. And if you select set schedule, you can set a time. So you can set when you want it to start. And then here, if you select end, you can select when you want it to end. And then, oops. When you've set your schedule, just go ahead and select done. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it on tap to show. Okay, so here now we have clock style. So this is where the fun really begins, guys. Okay, so here we have different clock styles that we can change. You also have a dual clock here as well. Calendar. And you can also change the color. Let me just get in a bit closer so you can see. So just use the color palette down here and choose the color that you want and just hit done when you're finished. Also, if you select image clock, there's some more options here. So you can add stickers. And there's quite a few different stickers you can choose from. I'm going to choose the bicycle. It's nice and bright and colourful. And hit done. So now when I tap on the display there. You can see the time, the date, the bicycle, and also my battery level. You can also set it to show for new notifications. Okay, so you can also add AI emojis. So if you've got your AI emojis set up, you can show your AI emoji on the display, the AOD display. So your AI emoji would show up on here. Let me just go back. Also, you can add bit emojis as well, but you have to download them first from the Google Play Store. Also, you can add pictures from the gallery. So I'm going to add that COD mobile picture. Well, it's a screenshot that I took when I was playing COD mobile earlier. So you can add a picture from the gallery and then select done. And as you can see now, I've got the COD mobile picture there as my always on display. Or you could add a picture of you or a family picture, whatever picture you have in your gallery. And you can also download themes and have it as your AOD. So just go ahead and select top, and here you will see all the themes. If you select this little tab here, you can download paid themes or free themes. So these are all the ones that you can download for free. And some of these are animated as well. And as you can see, there's a wide variety to choose from. Okay, so I'm going to try this one. Okay, so I need to sign into the Play Store back in a second, guys. Okay, so it's downloading. So I've finished downloading it. Just go ahead and apply it. And you can apply it as clock and image or image only. And there it is. Wow, that looks very cool, guys. So that's the animated AOD for free. Be sure to check it out. Okay, so let me just go back into settings. Okay, so yeah, that's it for that. That's it for the clock style. You can also show music information, screen orientation as well. So you can change it from portrait to landscape. As you can see now, it's in landscape. There's also an option for auto brightness. You can turn it off and then just adjust it to however you want it, however bright you want it to be. Let's see how that looks. Let's see how bright it is. Wow, it's a lot brighter now. Yeah, you can definitely see it a lot better now. And yeah guys, that's it for the always on display mode. Hope this video helped you out. Hope you get it set up and everything. Be sure to check out the free AODs that you can download. And that's it for the video guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm out. It's your boy the Android Doctor. Deuces.